Sailor, it has been nearly 1 year since you held a contest. And in that 1 year, while still watching your videos, I have became a man. No more with the faggoty fag voice. No more with the designer company. I am now a major figure in the mafia. Ha ha ha, you thought that was dead. Well, it's not. And I'm still pissed off, Brant, or whatever your name may be, that not only was I the only person to enter that Sailor contest, not only did I never receive a plane ticket, not only did I never officially win that contest, but you lied about the Sailor. You made me think he was another fucking person, and then you just dropped the Sailor. I'm sitting here, I spent a long time on that video 11 months ago on September 8th, 2008. I went to a lot. And I wanted to be in that contest. I was your biggest fan, and you dumped me on my ass. And you know what, Sailor? I got the mafia. I got connections, man. And I ain't afraid to jack you up. You lie to me, you stab me in my back when I deserved a trip to meet you, well, that's fine. Because I'm ready to come up there. I'll pay for the plane ticket myself. Because as far as I'm concerned, it's going to be worth it. September 8th, 2008 was the day I spent my hard-earned time. It wasn't hard-earned time, but I spent a lot of time on that video for you, Sailor Brant, whatever the fuck your name is. And on September 8th, 2009, some shit is going to go down. Cause when you stab Sailor contest entry in the back, he ain't staying down. And when I punch you in the face, and if you punch back at 2, Sailor, I don't know what the fuck that had to do with anything, but if you punch me, I won't punch you, I'll shoot you, and I'll have people piss on you. I'll put the fish in the sandwich, and I'll sail you off to sea. Cause don't mess with me. 1 year ago, 1 year, I've been planning my attack. And you know what? I saw the Sailor. I know he's alive and well. I saw him and Claudia and that fake, rip-off fake piece of crap triathlon. You're not some athlete, you fat little bitch. I saw the Sailor there. That must mean you're planning to put the gear back on, Brant. So September 8th, 2009, you and Claudia, Sailor, you better suit up in that garb one more time. You better get Claudia, cause I'm bringing my guys, and it's gonna be a war. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha! September 8th, 2009 is the death of you, but the beginning of me.